Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wrong Floor. This game is one of the most popular games in the horror genre. I think I've seen a lot of people play this game. I've never seen the game. I know people play it, and I'm about to play the game because it's been a long... I've never played this game, so I'm not sure what I have to do. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to go up these stairs. That's my guess. Better use the elevator. Okay, I guess we're using the elevator. I guess in the last game I played, we were, me going through an elevator ended up me dying. So why would I want to go through an elevator again? Let's be real. Why would I want to go to the elevator twice? This elevator's taking forever. Okay. Can I turn off VSync? Oh, okay, we're going through. We're turning off camera shake, too. We're going down on the elevator. Let me guess, the elevator is going to break. Oh, no, it works. Oh, wait. Yep, it's halfway. Cool. How do I get up here? Oh. Hello? It is dark as fuck. Holy shit, it's dark. Okay, that way is where I need to go. Can I have a flashlight? Hello? Okay, we're walking backwards. Backwards is... I can see the light. It's fine. I don't like the breathing. I can go without that. There's a door right here. It's fucking locked. Awesome. Ooh, elevator. It's... Oh, wait. I need to turn the elevator on. Well, what's in here? I'm walking backwards because I feel safer. Ah, cool. I'm glad it worked. Hey, man. What's going on? How's it going? How's it hanging? There's a little bug on you if you don't... there's a little bug right there, sir. I don't know if you know there's a bug on you, so... I'm gonna keep moving along if you don't quite mind. I can't see dick. I hate how dark it is, man. I do not like it. Why did she... Who is it? There's a flashlight right there. I want that. Thank you. I feel safer. I got a flashlight. There was a door right here before. There was a dead body right there. Oh! Okay. Okay. We're good. It's fine. Oh, there's the dead body. That's locked. That scared the shit out of me. I'm always gonna look behind me after the way I just played last time, dude. That... Okay. Okay, that's normal. This way where I want to go. I don't like how I run when I put my thing down. That's kind of annoying. That's bordered up. Let's see. Let's see. A height 7-5 meters. I don't know how tall that is. I'll put it right here. I don't know how tall that is. Age 30. Cuts all over the body. Okay. He's manic. Action extremely dangerous. The police asked for assistance in the disseminating of information about a personally dangerous officer. Alright. So bro's all cut up. Everything's fine. Oh, he's all fucked up. What's over here, huh? Nothing? Do I have to come through here? Can be broken with a crowbar. Where... Hey, bro, what's going on? I was just talking about you. I just read about you, huh? Where are you? Oh, hey. Hey, what's going on, friend? Hey, come back. Hey. Where'd you go? There he is. The big man himself. I'm assuming you're gonna chase me if I go near you. Awesome. Hey, man. I just need to walk past if you don't quite mind. Oh, no, there's a code. The code is behind the red cabinet. Okay, behind the red cabinet. Where is said code at? Like, where is the cabinet? Are you still there? No, he's gone. Cool. I'm glad that he's gone. Doesn't that make me feel safe? He's just gone. Hello? Wait, there's a thing right here. I didn't even see that earlier. I'm assuming if I turn around, he's gonna, yep, there, yep. How did I know? Very predictable. Very predictable. And I haven't played this game before. What the hell is that? Is that shit? I knew that was gonna happen, dude. Isn't that? It's just the tell of a story, bro. Tell of the story. Why would it not jump scare me? Okay. So through here is not the answer. So it has to be this way or something. Is there a red cabinet nearby by chance? Anywhere? Hello? Maybe this red cabinet? What the fuck is that? There's eyeballs in this in here. I don't like how there's breathing. Where is this red cabinet? That's locked. My bad. If I knew where this red cabinet was, I wouldn't have this problem. It is quiet. I'll wait here, bro. I'll wait right here. I'm waiting. Nothing's gonna happen. Keep banging on the door. What's gonna happen? Okay, we're gonna move. I'm not going over there. I refuse. I'll stay here all day. Okay, there's the red room. Is he behind this corner over here? Nope. Who was in here? Why were they in here? How is this gonna help me, bro? Where's this red door? Or red cabinet I'm talking about, I'm hearing. Why? There's nothing in here. No. Well, all I got is L so far. Let me look at the cabinets. L. Oh, there's a thing right there. 19. Oh, here we go. 1990. 1990, 1990, 1990. The year of a thing. Ah, you changed positions. Don't like that. 1990, 1990. I just gotta get to where I need to get to. Don't mind me, I'm just passing through. 1990, 1990, 1990, 1990. Alright. How do I change it? Did you do it by yourself? There we go. 1 9 0. 1990. We got a screwdriver. We got crowbar. Exactly what I need, a crowbar. Hello? As long as I don't get fucking absolutely butt raped, I'm okay with this. Why does it sound like Siren Head, dude? Hello? As long as I don't get jump scared, it's gonna be okay. Remove all that shit. Ah, there's something right here. Okay, what does that do? I think that turns on the power to the elevator. I'm assuming. Yes. Elevator, here we go. Hey, man. I see you got a bat there. Hey, man. Okay. That one wasn't. What was the point of these freaking letters then? This is a weird game, dude. That was probably the strangest one I played so far. I don't know. I don't know what I was missing. What did I had to do? I don't know what I had to do there. But that was an interesting game. Hope you guys do enjoy today's video. If you guys did, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.